Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called Receipt Pal. Okay, now what is Receipt Pal all about? Can you really save money just by scanning your receipts? Is this a scam or is this legit? Let's take a look at this. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just go ahead and click the link in the description box, and I'll send you that training to your email for free. All right. Now let's take a look at Receipt Pal. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online style websites, apps, business models, and some of them are really good, but some of them are really, really bad and not, worth your time. So let's take a look at Receipt Pal, all right? So first of all, Receipt Pal is available on the Android and the iOS device, so you can download it from your Apple Play Store or your iTunes Store as well, which is really, really cool. All right, and it's a very simple app. Once you download it, it basically allows you to make a little bit of money back based on the receipts that you scan. Okay, so the way that this works is these guys are a market research company, so they want to find out the buying habits of their consumers, and so the more receipts you can scan excuse me, the more that they'll know what their consumers are spending money on, right? So if you look at the app, it kind of works like this. You'll see little signs of you actually going through the app, how many points you're gonna have as well every time you scan your app, and then the kind of gift cards that you can get. Okay, it's pretty much as simple as that, right? Now the big question is how many points is every single receipt worth, and what kind of receipts can you scan? All right. Well, basically, you can scan pretty much any type of receipt. So whether you shop at Walmart or Target, or you're buying something online, as long as you have a receipt, you can scan it and it recognizes it, then you will get points for it. Okay. Now this is how the point system works. This is important to understand, right? So pay attention. First of all, you get 25 points for every successful receipt that you scan, which means that if you scan 4 receipts, you get 100 points. Now, in order to get your first $5, you need 2,200 points, which means that you need to scan 88 receipts in order to get $5. Okay, $5 is the minimum. So that's not too bad if you think about it. Yeah, that's quite a few receipts, and you're gonna have to collect a lot of them, and kind of scan them all at once if you want to do that. But you get $5 back, and you get $5 as a gift card, mainly from Amazon. All right, so they don't give you cash, unfortunately. They give you an Amazon gift card. If you want to get $10, you need 4,000 points. So that's roughly double. So that's about 160 roughly receipts that you're going to have to scan. So that's a lot of receipts. If you think about it, if you want to make $10, you have to scan 160 receipts, which means that you have to make 160 purchases before you can rebate $10, right? So while it's not an amazing way to make lots of money, look, if you're buying stuff anyway and you're going to be collecting the receipts, you may as well get some cash back, right? And that's what this app, Receipt Pal, is all about, and that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look at what some people have said. In general, it's got really good ratings. I mean, 4.3 over 5. With having 34,000 reviews, that's not bad. The main complaint about this app is that it's slow. Okay, it's not that it doesn't work. It says that it's slow. Sometimes it's unstable. Sometimes you have to reload it, and that's something that you're gonna have to experience for yourself if you would like to test it out. But other than that, it doesn't really say anything about it being not legit, that they don't pay out, nothing like that. So these guys have been around for a long time, since 2013. So they are a legitimate app. And if you would like to make a little bit of money back, again, it's not mind-blowing income, right? Because you have to upload quite a lot of receipts. You have to scan 160 receipts to make $10 in an Amazon gift card. So it's quite a lot of work, right? I mean, in a whole month, you may not even collect 160 receipts if you think about it, right? It might take you a few months to have 160 receipts that you can then scan, make $10 back, you get a $10 gift card, and you can go spend that at Amazon, which I think is pretty cool. All right, so if you want to check out Receipt Pal, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and you can check it out. Now, if you're here right now watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make money online, and look, saving $5 here, $10 there is a great thing, and it's nice to find legitimate apps that work, but this is not going to break the bank, right? You're never going to make a full-time income. You're never going to be able to quit your job this way. You're never going to hit millionaire status and travel the world, right? But the thing about the internet is that when you understand where to look, And if you're going to be spending a little bit of time on it anyway, you should be investing in a skill set that can pay you for the rest of your life, right? Now, if you're interested in learning my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars minimum every single month, 100% from home, that means all you need is a computer and an internet connection. I would love to send you that strategy for free that you can check out. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box below. I will email that directly to your email. Please check your spam folder because sometimes email these days ends up in spam. And enjoy the training. I hope you enjoy this review of Receipt Pal, and I will see you on another review. Take care.